Hi YouTube viewers, I am doing a video on the blushes that I bought. It's from Milani and Maybelline New York. The Maybelline New York is buy one get one 50% off at Kmart, and I got it last week. I don't know if it's still on sale, but you guys can definitely check it out. And the Milani I bought at Walmart, and the color is it's Milani Baked Blush, and this is how the color looks like. And the color is number 10, Delicioso Pink. And here's the other one. And it's number 11, Bella Rosa. And this one is from Maybelline New York, Dream Bouncy, and it's in number 20. It doesn't show you when you get this home, it doesn't show you the color, but when you do get it, it shows the color. And this is the number 50. And sometimes they have sales on Milani too, buy one get one 50% off. You guys can check it out if you guys want to. Until next time, bye.